Many of them continue. How many queries?
And how many queries?
Well, yeah, like with a Claude.
Yeah, we had that question earlier. So yeah, there's it's good. It's a great question because it's what everybody has, right? It's like no, there's no limit, right?
So with Leo, if I've got a really trash tree, this like I mean, I start thinking and modeling and go this direction, that direction, this direction. Did you go back and clean that up to more of a
No, it's not going to clean anything for each day. Maybe we'll get there, and hopefully we do soon. But it's just going to give you indicators, right? Now, yeah, I have a couple of slides coming that will start to reveal that type of capability where it's going to kind of guide you a little bit and say, that's probably not a great idea if you do a feature pattern of, what's the term? It's not just it's not a geometric pattern, it's full feature-based pattern. And because there's so many, it's probably not a good idea. Turn on the options button. So it's coming, not yet.
Is that only available in 2026 SOLIDWORKS or 2025?
So for any of the companions, you need to be connected to the platform, right? So the platform is always current. So it's kind of similar to your PDM environments if you have those. So it's either current or 2 releases back. Okay? And so, yes. Yeah, so Aura should be there. Not all of the Leo embedded AI functionality would be there until you're on the right release, right? It didn't exist. The generated drawings didn't exist till later, right? Aura, though, is an information gatherer. So she can still get information, and she still has access to the help. So she'll work. Leo will have some breaking points.
Just to clarify the question, you're saying each preparing desktop or are you which version, which piece of the platform, which kind of need of the platform that say Aura with it? So go back to 24.
So Aura came out in 2025, right? But I can't see how we can't use Aura to gather information as long as you have the current connector to the platform in that SOLIDWORKS version. Does that make sense?
Or that you platform.
Connector is always current. The SOLIDWORKS to sit back to 2 versions. And it doesn't matter if we have SOLIDWORKS design with cloud services. I'm going to say the old names just for everybody still probably know. 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS or desktop SOLIDWORKS. Doesn't matter. They're both the same. Okay.